In this video, I will show you how to import workflow on n8n. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your n8n account, and this is what the dashboard should look like. What you're going to do is you're going to go to open instance. Now, after the instance has loaded, first of all, what we want to do is we want to find the file that we want to import. So I'm guessing that the file will be on or in another n8n account, or it's stored somewhere. But if it's on another account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the workflow that you want to import. You're going to click on that workflow, and once you click on it, you're going to go to these three dots at the top. You click on it, and now we want to click on download. Now once we download, what's going to happen is it's going to download the workflow, the JSON file for the workflow, and this is what it's going to look like. So we're going to close this dialog box. We're going to go to where we want to import the workflow to. So say this file is empty. We're going to click on these three dots here, and we're going to go to import from file. Now, if your file is in a URL or it's stored somewhere online and you have the URL to the JSON file, you're going to click here and you're going to paste the URL here. But we're going to click here and we're going to go to import from file because we have it downloaded on our computer. And once we click on it, it's going to automatically show up here. Now we're going to click on save, and automatically we have our imported workflow here. Now that's how to import workflow on n8n. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.